Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. Today we're going to do a bit of unboxing and take a look at this. It's a Blackstone 22-inch griddle. It's gas powered. I was looking for the Ninja Sizzle, but they're not putting it out here yet in the UK. But if Ninja are listening, which I know you are, send me one when they're available and we'll do a review side by side with the gas. So come on, let's get it unboxed and we'll take a look at it. So like all products, the obligatory handbook for it. We'll take a read of this in a minute. So, not sure what this is. Just like those coffee frothers. Look at the manual and see what this does. In here we've got some packaging. Come in and have a look what's in this box. I guess we've got our grease catcher, we've got our control knobs, 4 feet, and our gas connection nozzle. I'm going to get this built up. Feet to 8mm thread, no tools required, straight in. Twist them by hand and they're in. Got the control knobs here, Blackstone, can only fit on one way. And there's quite a firm push on there. Gas connector simply goes on here. It's a left hand thread. Take a look at the bottom here, the back's just round. The front has kind of got a lip on it, and this just locates into these groove slots. So we'll get that in. And that just sits in. Nice picture on here of what we can be cooking. The grease catcher kind of got a little lip on it, just simply fits over the back. As a free accessory, I got sent this when I purchased this unit, and it's a hose and regulator. Unfortunately, this regulator only fits the camping gas bottles. I use colour gas, so I'm going to have to use my own regulator. The cooking area on this grill is 22-inch by 16, which measures 57 to 42 centimetres. So we've got it all together. We're going to take a look at the controls. Well, the first thing to cook on to season this is going to be bacon. We're all hooked up now to our gas supply. All you need to do is to ignite this is push these in, twist, and we're lit. Second burner and lit. Just gonna let this warm up a bit. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil down. Then we're gonna go on with some bacon. As soon as we're cooking some bacon, why not go with an egg? Look, I've got a fresh, free range egg. It's even got some DNA on it. I'm just going to come in there, toast our bread roll off, some of this lovely bacon grease up. And I think it's time to build this. For me it's got to be brown sauce. I'm going to top it. That was our first look at the 22-inch Blackstone griddle. We've cooked ourselves a bacon sandwich. And as they say, everything tastes better with bacon.